Yes. Hey guys, we're on our way to Jamaica, Mom. Sharon's giving us a drive. Mama Sharon's driving us. What do you say, hon?
Telling them that I'm going home.
Yes.
So you guys stay tuned.
So when we get back, we'll have Rajero. You're gonna have a new grandson. You're gonna miss me, Sharon?
Yep. Totally. I'll plug your name for 2 weeks.
I know. And then when I get back, shortly after, it'll be the operation on my knee and recovery, and then back to work.
People, always so excited for the trip. Oh my God, she haven't sleep, eh? Come on, man. But you know, I'm happy for her too. So yeah, we're about to spend some nice time in Jamaica, and yeah, get away from this place for a minute, man. I was depressed and
Missing your baby.
yeah, missing my baby.
Not me, his son.
Yeah, so.
You're missing me too because you were working so much. Now we get to spend some good time
I
together.
don't miss you. I see you every night.
We get to spend some one-on-one time together.
Yeah, we
Wow.
always spending time together though, babe. But yeah, for sure.
Like
man.
vacation, yeah.
Going for my little boy and the drift. So yeah, so you're waiting now to get on that vessel, that big ass vessel. I will stay with you.
On our way to Toronto.
To your ups and your downs. Yep. 5 hours flight.
5 hours. And then 6 o'clock tomorrow morning we'll arrive in Toronto, and then we go to Jamaica.
Yes, so we're on our way. Can't wait. It's been 1 year and a couple months.
Yeah, over a year.
Yeah, so can't wait for all the festivities, for the sunshine, the warm weather, the food.
We've got a whole list of stuff we're gonna do and lots of things we're gonna vlog. So stay tuned. Arrive to Toronto. Babe, we will got us coffee. Stop Jamaica.
Why they separate us? I'm not feel so good about it. Guess what? We're going home, so yeah, I'm happy about that.
Jamaica bound. Next stop, Jamaica. We're just leaving Toronto. Having a bad knee has its perks. Get first on the plane. Don't have to walk, wheelchair, and driven everywhere. Babe, it was kind of good having like good service, eh? Like
Yeah.
where we didn't have to walk.
Not me, but my wife. I got someone.
You got someone, yeah. You got to go on a taxi or whatever. When we get, yeah.
That's good.
Yeah. One thing I gotta say is Air Canada takes care of their passengers. Kudos to Air Canada. Jamaica. We've arrived in Kingston now.
Like the spring jump off or something.
We want Canadian or Jamaican? So guys, you know when my wife come to Jamaica, right? This is the second time, second edition. So you just come with me while I'm showing you where I'm putting her to stay. Yeah, just come with me. So
This is so cute.
This is the Airbnb. This is the fridge. Yeah, this is an Airbnb, the fridge. Look at it. It's a nice, comfortable spot. I love it. And the thing is that she loves it too. So yeah.
Nice.
We live in all area. Nice. You know, the fan, the AC.
Mm-hmm.
Go in.
Hold on.
TV.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and the
Check out the
bedroom.
bedroom, babe.
Woo!
Yeah. So
Nice.
this is how a man should treat their wife, you know.
Aw,
So, yeah,
this is beautiful, babe.
It's mega hot in Jamaica, so
We got air conditioner in the room and in the living room. Nice area to hang up our clothes.
yep.
Cute little sink, shower.
Yeah.
Nice. I love it. I'm so
Show
excited.
them up, like show them up here. Yeah. Show them the light and stuff.
Yeah.
Show them me now.
It's really nice. I'm telling you, we got such good service. Wheelchair the whole way, taxi, like it was just amazing. The service, Air Canada is superior. Jamaica's awesome. So happy to be here. So guys, the wheel's on the other side in Jamaica. In Canada, this is the steering wheel here. They wear uniforms. Jamaica. And we drive on the opposite side of the road. So we're on our way to get Rajero. So excited. He's focusing on his driving right now, because let me tell you, you all know how it is driving in Jamaica. Ain't no joke, you guys. Excited to see our boy.
Joaquin Edwards and Rajero Edwards right there. Okay.
Say hi to everybody. Wave your hand. Say hi. This is Raj, everyone. This is our baby boy. Well, he's 3. Looking all handsome again. Got a right and proper trim.
We not do it to sell it, you know. From the Jamaica, man, bring it to you, but that is it, you know.
Yeah.
Man, after 3 months. Come here.
Oh, turn around, let me see. Turn around. Turn around. Oh, nice. So, ride for the week. Come here, baby. You guys, people be out in Jamaica. Out. Jamaica, man. I want a big one, babe. Get a couple of big ones.
Yeah, man, and 1 year straight, the boss bring my son to school, you know. Yeah, my time to bring him to school, you know. So God good and God great, you know. Believe, yeah. Yeah.
So your mommy there. Your mommy there.
Mommy, I'll drive.
Yeah, man, we do out in the trenches, man. Out in the trenches with them, you know. Yeah, the place how born and grow, give us thanks. God is good. Cause I eating burger, you know. I say them when I go to work, man. My boy. You're my boy. My son. My only sunshine. My pretty baby. My only baby. I miss you so much. You're knowing that I was. And I will take good care of you. Sing a song for Daddy, son. Sing a song for Daddy.
Like America, that like Miami or Fort Lauderdale, where you get proper rental. Six. The rental company 6.
Good man, visit my brother, you know. Rajero and him cousin over there, so. My brother wife and my wife.
Hey, this we not rent for
That's
this.
a brother, you know.
No, we just want to know we can get like iron.
Yeah, I don't know.
This one iron.
Yeah,
I probably get iron. But
Dude, I'm sure you can.
yeah.
I just don't
That,
know.
place
And
is
I'm not
mostly-
from Toronto, I'm from Nova Scotia, right? So
We're gonna
Halifax,
talk,
Nova
you know?
Scotia, that's a nice place too.
Good man.
Yeah,
check in.
Halifax, Nova Scotia, big
Ireland boss, and me represent for Akeem and Jen. And you know them YouTube channels, so me I tell you no, and me I send you no, if you go like, share, comment, and subscribe. You know why? It's a winning season. The pass wasn't clear. No, tables are turned with about half dozen cheer. You know what I mean?